How to see who views your Facebook profile? Let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone and ensure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Once you are on your profile, look just below your profile picture and click on the professional dashboard. This section is only available if you have switched to professional mode. From the dashboard, select Insight at the top of the screen. To see who views your Facebook profile, click on the See All option located on the right-hand side. This will open a full overview of your Insight. Here you will find valuable information such as how many people viewed your profile and audience growth over time. However, keep in mind these insights are only accessible if your profile is in professional mode. If you haven't enabled it yet, make sure to switch to a professional account. There we go. Now you know how to see who views your Facebook profile.